When you're looking for a serious relationship, it's important to ask the right questions early on. How a woman responds can reveal a lot about her character and intentions. If she gets angry at certain questions, it could be a major red flag that she's not someone you should invest in. We've noted 5 questions that irritates women. If any woman gets angry at any of these questions on the process of getting to know them, stay away from them immediately. They are not the kind of girls you should deal with. 1. What are your long-term goals? If a woman gets angry or defensive when asked about her long-term goals, it's a major red flag. A woman who has no direction or refuses to discuss her future might not be serious about building a lasting relationship. A woman who can't communicate her vision for the future is likely not thinking about a stable partnership. Guys should avoid getting involved with someone who lacks focus or has no plans, as this can lead to frustration and wasted time. 2. What is your body count? Asking about her body count can be a sensitive topic, but if she gets extremely angry or defensive, it might be because her body count is higher than expected, and she will not be comfortable admitting. A woman with a high body count may feel judged or ashamed, and that's why she reacts with anger instead of having a calm conversation. A woman having high body count is automatically a red flag because it may indicate she's not selective or serious about her relationships. This could point to issues with commitment, emotional baggage, or a lack of respect for herself and her partners. Do not deal with this kind of girls. Leave her immediately. 3. What do you do? If she reacts negatively to a simple question about her profession or daily activities, it's a red flag. It could mean she is insecure about her career or isn't doing anything productive. A man seeking a serious relationship should want someone who is driven or at least proud of what she does, whether it's a job, hobby, or passion project. If she can't answer this without getting upset, it might show she lacks ambition or feels ashamed of her situation. Avoid making long-term plans with someone who doesn't value productivity. 4. What will you bring to the table? If she gets angry when asked what she brings to a relationship, that's a clear red flag. A mature woman understands that a relationship is a two-way street, and both partners need to contribute. If she can't answer this without hostility, it might indicate she has an entitlement mindset or doesn't feel the need to offer anything in return. A relationship based on one-sided effort will quickly become draining. Men should avoid pursuing serious commitments with someone who doesn't see the value in mutual effort. If any woman gets unnecessarily angry or offended at these questions, you have to run away from her. She is not worth your investment. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.